Hey everyone, this is Dr. Fryer. Today is November 9th, 2023, and I'd like to show you quickly on a Google site how you can copy the public share link, which is really important when we are turning things in for our class. So the first thing to do is make sure that you're on the page that you want to share. All right, so in this case, I'm on my audio interviews page. If I would be over on my home page, I want to make sure I switch over to get the actual web page that I want to turn in. And what I don't want to do is just come up here to the top and actually try to copy that link. You can see this link has a lot of random characters in it, and that's because this is the edit link for this page. It's not the public link, all right? So there's a couple ways to do this. One way is I can come up to the link icon here, and it says copy published site link. And so when you click on that and you click copy, that is going to be the public link. And so if I open a new window and I paste in the link, look at that. This is the public version of the page. So that's one way to do it. The other way to do it, and the way I tend to do it more, again, is going to be to go up here to the upper right corner, okay, and you're going to click not publish, but the arrow beside publish, and then you can go down to this where it says view published site. And if you click view published site, it's going to pop out of the window, and there it goes to the actual public page that you have. And so now I can click up here on the link itself. You can see it doesn't have all those random characters, and I can either right-click copy, I can two-finger tap on my trackpad if I'm on a laptop, I can press and hold if I'm on an iPad, I can use the Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on a Windows computer. All of those are ways that you can copy the public share link. So good luck. And if you'd like to have more resources about using Google Sites as well as other kinds of media literacy tools, you can visit my website, lessons.wesfryer.com.